Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of Mother's Bite. Treat yourself. Today's recipe is very simple and tasty brinjal chips. You may heard banana chips, potato chips, etc. But today I will show you brinjal chips. Take big brinjals and slice them with a knife or slicer. Big eggplants will go very well for this recipe. Here we don't want thin slices, so I thought to cut it with knife. I know it is very hard to feed vegetables for kids. Even my kids always start cry when they see vegetables. So I thought to prepare brinjal chips so that I can feed them healthy vegetables, and it was a super hit. They liked the chips and I felt very happy for them. Once slicing is done, transfer these into a big bowl. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of besan on the brinjal. Then add half tablespoon of cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust salt according to your taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, as I am preparing for kids, so very less chili powder I am using. Here goes in half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. It is completely optional if you don't have. Then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix all together with soft hands. If you feel so dry, you can add 1 tablespoon of water for it. Doing this step will get brinjals all coated equally. Before I used to prepare with salt and chili powder. Later on I am preparing like this with masalas for a better taste. Keep it aside for 5 minutes so that brinjals will absorb spices very well. Till then, add oil in a pan and heat it. Add brinjal slices one by one. You can also deep fry it. I like to shallow fry them to keep them healthy. Keep them on low flame and fry it for 2 minutes on one side. Flip them to the other side and allow them to cook for 2 more minutes. Frying on low flame is enough. For crispiness, fry them on medium heat for about 20 to 30 seconds. Take them out on a tissue paper one by one and continue the process with the leftover brinjals. These chips are going to be healthy and tasty. Even kids love to have it. They will go very well as a side dish for rice. Serve them hot for a better taste. Hope you all like today's recipe. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.